So a busy day. Finally got my motor mounts going, front and rear. It took me a whole day to set up the cab, but anyway, we got that. I'm mocking the seats up in. I got all the leather inserts made for the other one and that, and just mocking in where I want the shifter, see if I'm going to like it. Tomorrow, hopefully it's not too hot, I'll come back out and get some more done, start putting in some floor panels. But the body mounts were the biggest thing, trying to find something that worked. They're actually a Lass of Sale 1967 C10 bushings kit that they had on sale, but I made the square tubing for there. Those are two salvaged ones from a buddy's truck, and the bottom ones there, because they're smaller, are part of the frame I cut out. And then again the square tubing, so the nut goes right down through the top, so we can access it later if we ever have to. But there's roughly what she's starting to look like. I don't know if that's too high yet. I'm going to mull over the shifter for a while to see if I want it way up there. But that's just a temporary support to give me height.